You are tuned into Home Cooked, where we don't cook by the book, but with our hearts. We use our eyes as measuring cups and our souls to taste. We thank God for the hands that prepared the food and love the people who share it. You're part of the family now. This is Home Cooked. Hey family, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, as you can see by the title, we are preparing Southern fried chicken. But before we get started, I have a little bit of a bluffession. Yes, that is a black confession. I need to confess to you all that I don't really know how to fry it all the way, y'all. I need some help, okay? Your sister is struggling. Need to make sure that my chicken be done in the middle. What y'all do? Drop me some comments down below. Drop me some tips down below in that comment section. Let me know how y'all do what y'all do, okay? But this is how I did what I did, and I think I did a pretty good job. All right, put my soul in it. Here we go. So, right now I'm showing y'all all the seasonings I had used. Little cayenne, little brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, and now I'm whipping it up in that yeah, now I'm gonna crack this egg. Watch me do it. Watch me do it. Art. Yes, I know y'all like that. I used about 5 eggs. And as far as that measuring on that seasoning, I just eyeballed it. But I'm using about 5 eggs right here. Then next we're gonna whip that thing up. Yeah, boy, look at that wrist, boy. Y'all like that wrist? I know. Yeah, I like to use a wet and a floured batter. Okay, next, here's my chicken here. I have put that buttermilk all over that chicken and soaked it about 30 minutes. Then I went on ahead and seasoned that chicken. And as you can see, too, that Texas Pete. Yeah, it is. There it is. That's that boy. He look good on that chicken, don't it? I put a little bit of that Texas Pete along with that cayenne. Get that chicken that spice. Gotta have a little spice. Next, I went ahead and dipped that chicken in that egg batter, and then I'm gonna flour it. Now you want to turn this bad boy in and out that flour. Make sure he's all the way coated. I'm gonna bring it a little closer so y'all can see. There y'all go. Yep, I wanted to batter him a little more because I don't like no spots. Got to be all the way covered up. Then you're gonna take that thing and bring it on over to your grease. Now I like to keep my grease hot. Okay, I heard that's the best way to fry that chicken. I don't know what degree because my stove it don't give me degree. It just say high, hot. Okay, that's all I know. Once again I flip that thing. Now here it is. This is my grease. And here's my chicken. It's on the first side. Don't get worried, you ladies and gentlemen. This is just the first side. I ain't flipping yet. He ain't do that turnover, but I'm gonna show y'all what he looked like on that turnover. Just a moment. Here's that turnover. Now, see, with bigger pieces of chicken, you guys, you got to stab that chicken in the middle so make sure that blood leak through and that blood ain't still bleeding in your chicken. You feel me? And then here's how I plated it with that mac and cheese stovetop. It ain't baked, but I know how to make that bake. But here's that stovetop presentation. I know y'all like that. All right, family, thank you so much for watching our video. We really appreciate y'all. Please don't forget to comment down below. Let me know, what did you think about the video. Let me know what you put in your chicken. Don't be that one family member that be stingy with the recipes. Okay, don't do that. We all got to eat together. We all want to enjoy some good food. So please let me know what you put in your chicken, what kind of grease you use. Is it a deep pot or a pan that you fried in? Just let me know. And as you're making your way down to that comment section, don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button and ring my bell. Ring my bell. Ringing my bell. Yeah, so you can be notified every time we post a new video, because we're always going to be coming out with some new content every week. Okay? So you want to be in the loop. Stay in the loop, family. Stay in the loop. A family that eats together stays together. Y'all have a good one.